Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to sign your Java application. And this is nothing else but a way for you to prove that some application is from you. And for the purpose of this episode, first thing that you are going to need is some simple Java application. And I've created one. I'm just going to execute it with Java jar simple print.jar. So nothing special, 3 times hey to the screen. And in real world example, you are going to need some certificate signed by certificate authority. And just for the purpose of this episode, I'm going to use self-signed certificate. So first thing that I'm going to do now, I'm going to create my key store with private key and self-signed certificate. So use key tool. So nothing special, we are creating key pair with RSA algorithm with key size of 4096. Alias it's sign key into my local key store, my keystore.p12, store type of course pkcs12, and we are going to provide store password directly and the name. I'm going to press enter now. Okay, let's see what we have. Now the only thing that we have to do is to sign this simple print.jar using our sign key. So I'm going to use application jar signer, of course key store my keystore.p12, of course store type pkcs12, then sign jar. No, sorry, signed jar, and now I should provide path to new created jar, new jar dot jar or sign jar, call it any way you like. Now I'm going to provide simple print dot jar and finally alias of my private key. Like this. And in order to save us from complication, I'm just going to provide my password in here. Store password 6 zeros, and I'm going to press enter. Jar is signed. Let's see what we have in here. We have a new jar, but now I'm going to list like this. So we have new jar that is a little bit bigger than simple print jar, and now I'm just going to use Java to execute it. So Java jar, new jar, and of course it works. And now in order to verify this sign jar, we are going to use of course jar signer with key verify, and we are going to provide path to our jar, new jar.jar, and I'm going to press enter. Of course, jar is verified. And now in this episode I'm going to address just one of these errors, and this is error about a timestamp. In order to add timestamp to your sign jar, you are going to use this signing command. Like in case of signing, you are just going to add one additional key, and that is TSA. And then you are going to provide the link to your timestamp server. And for this episode I don't have any timestamp server to show you, but this is way to go. So guys, I hope that you have learned something interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!